Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to lock apps on the Poco C75 5G. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on app lock. Now from here, tap on turn on. Now from here, just connect at least 4 dots to create a pattern. Now from here, just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now from here, once you confirm your pattern, just tap on next. Now from here, tap on not now. Now from here, just wait a few seconds, then tap on not now. Now from here, just tap on use app lock. Now from here, tap on cancel. Now from here, just enable this toggle for the apps which you want to use app lock on. Just like that. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the apps which you have enabled app lock on, it will ask you to enter the pattern. Just like that. And this is how you can lock apps on the Poco C75 5G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.